Hi, my name is Carrie Vazquez, and I am going to be doing my exhibition over my works in regular script. Okay, so a little bit about how regular script came to be. So during the Han Dynasty, calligraphy styles such as clerical, running, and cursive were developed. However, regular script was only introduced by the end of the dynasty. So it wasn't until the Tang Dynasty that regular script was truly developed. So nowadays, the regular script is known as the standard script. And when someone is introduced to Chinese calligraphy, regular script is the first one taught before advancing to other scripts. Regular script is also commonly used in textbooks. So some characteristics of regular script are that it involves more angles, there is a variation in thickness, characters are separate, they are written slowly, the strokes are extended and smoothed out, the characters are in a shape of almost in a shape of a square, and they're well defined. Okay, so one of the important aspects of writing in Chinese calligraphy is how you hold the brush, which is an important step to know before writing in regular script. So here's a video that shows that. Okay, so notice how the forefinger, middle finger, and thumb are holding the brush, and then the ring finger and pinky are placed behind the brush. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that where you hold the brush determines how your characters will look like. So the further away you hold it, then the softer the strokes will be, and which is how you would use it when writing in cursive script. And the closer you are to the bristles, then the more precise and defined are the strokes. Okay, so here's another video that just shows the character light written in regular script. So notice how he presses down and then lifts the brush. Press down and lift. Okay, so this is my first work in regular script, and I think I did pretty good for my first time actually ever practicing calligraphy, Chinese calligraphy. And there is a variation in thickness right here, right here. There's a balance between all of them, and you can see how they all almost fit in a square. But however, I think what I would improve in this would be this character right here, which looks a little too thin. I'd improve that. My second regular script work, you can see a little progress. It looks a little neater than the other one. However, I think I would try to improve in how they look, because they look a little slanted, so I would work on that. And then my third one is the one that I like out of all of them. And this one I really like because they look well balanced. They have a variation in thickness. You can see them from the dots and from the long horizontal strokes. But I think I would improve on some strokes like the dot right here, which looks a little odd and just makes the whole character look a little uneven. and then this stroke right here, which I would also improve. So for the peer evaluation, I chose Yunchin Kwang, or Kwang Yunchin, and hers was my favorite out of everyone's because it looks really good. The characters are well balanced, the strokes are really good, makes the whole character come into place, and it's just the overall appeal of the characters looks really good, even how she did her name. Okay, so even though I'm not majoring in anything related to Chinese studies, I am glad I took this class. Not only did I learn about the art of Chinese calligraphy, but I learned about the unique and beautiful culture of China. Chinese calligraphy ties to so many aspects of the Chinese culture, and learning about the culture has made me appreciate it even more. Alright, anyways, thanks for listening.